Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Street. This is Siddhant, and in this video, we will be trying to understand a problem which is often asked in the interview rounds of various companies, and it is one of the most popular questions when we come to discussing about two-dimensional arrays or basically arrays in general. So, as you guessed it, we are discussing about write a program to rotate an array in either anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. So, this is the context of the program, and in this video we will be trying to understand how do we develop the logic of solving this problem and how do we actually implement that logic. So what we will be doing is we will be solving this problem in constant space. तो constant space में मतलब क्या हुआ, O of 1 हम space complexity में इस problem को solve करेंगे, and let us try to understand how do we bring about the solution to the problem and how do we actually think around when we see the क्वेश्चन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. तो इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कस करने से पहले लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट न्यूटन स्कूल, जिनके साथ ये वीडियो कोलैबोरेशन में बनी है. So Newton School is an edtech platform which guarantees you 100% placement by charging you ₹0 as fee until and unless you get placed. So Newton School is doing this in collaboration with a number of really great companies which can be seen on their platform. So Newton School works in a very brilliant way. What it does is it offers a number of really great courses ranging from full stack development to courses designed for women to even courses designed for working professionals. You can choose your own path, and after completion of the course you will be completely job ready. In the recent times, Newton School has started the Launchpad platform in which they are giving away a number of great courses entirely for free. These courses are taught by some of the great instructors, and once you are enrolling into this course and completing this course entirely, you will be getting a course completion certificate as well. And in the meantime, if you feel like doing any coding related work, you can always go to the Newton School Playground platform where you can create your own playground, as we have done in the previous videos, of course. And then after the creation of that playground, you can code in your own language and do the problems. So that is it. And in this video, we will discuss about rotation of an array. So let us get to the video. So the question for today is rotate an array anti-clockwise by 90 degree. Okay, now it can or it may not be mentioned that you have to do it in constant space. तो वो लिखा भी हो सकता है, or it can be asked as well, or it may not be asked. तो rotate an array anti-clockwise by 90 degree. Now what does it mean? Suppose you have an array like this. Okay, so you have an array like this. I'm talking about a 4x4 array for your better understanding. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So if this is my array, alright, so it expects me to give the outcome like this. So it expects me to give the outcome like 4, 8, 12, 16, 3, 7, 11, 15, 3, 7, 11, 15, 2, 6, 10, 14, 1, 5, 9, 13. Isn't it right? Yes, this is right. So it gives me this as the output, array output. ठीक है, तो अब इसमें हुआ क्या, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ये रोटेट कर गया. एंटी देखो ये होता है क्लॉकवाइज, और ये होता है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। ये तो सबको पता है ना, दिस इज समथिंग दैट एवरीवन मस्ट बी क्लियर ऑफ। एंड this is known as clockwise and this is known as anti-clockwise. Okay, and we have to do it by 90 degree. That is, if the array is like this, one anti-clockwise rotation means this corner now comes to this corner. So the block is like this, one anti-clockwise rotation means this. Okay, nothing else. Box is like this, ऐसे हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो ये जो है आपका 1 2 3 4 वाला जो बॉक्स है, ये जो बॉक्स है सिंपल ऐसे था, ऐसे हो गया। तो देखो 4 ऊपर आ गया, 3 2 1 ऐसे चला गया, 8 7 6 5 ऐसे आ गया, ये सब कुछ ऐसे हो गया। समझ में आ रही है बात? तो क्या हुआ, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन बाय एन एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री। ओके, बाय एन एंगल ऑफ 90 degree. Okay, so this is what we mean. Now the thing is that if this is the initial condition and this is the final condition, then how are we supposed to solve this problem? What should be my logic to solve this problem? Okay, remember this, कोई भी चीज को 90 डिग्री से हम रोटेट कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले मेरे को सॉल्व कैसे करना है उसको देखने के लिए सबसे पहले ये देखो कि व्हाट इज माय इनिशियल स्टेट, व्हाट इज माय फाइनल स्टेट। ओके, फाइंड दिस 1, ये 1 कहाँ पे है, सबसे बॉटम में, ठीक है। और एक चीज देखो, ये 4 और ये सब कहाँ पे है, देखो 4 ऊपर आ गया है, ठीक है। सो देयर मस्ट बी अ वे इन विच आई कैन आइदर मूव दिस 1 टू दिस स्पॉट, और आई कैन ऑल्सो थिंक इट द अदर वे अराउंड। There must be the way in which I can move this 4 to this spot, isn't it? Always think of the corner elements and not about the middle elements first. Okay, पहले देखो कॉर्नर में तुम क्या कर सकते हो, फिर अंदर घुसेंगे अपन। 4 को यहां लाने का, to bring 4 to this point, there must be a way, right? Is there a way to bring 4 to this point? Let us discuss. There is a way. How about I reverse? Let us think about only this portion. Only this portion. Okay, let me use a different colored pen. Let us think about only the highlighted portion. Is there a way to do this? Thinking about this. Bring 4 to the first position and 1 to the last position. There is a way. What about we reverse the array? How about we reverse the array? Then we can do it. 4 पहले आ जाएगा, 1 पीछे चला जाएगा, है ना, फिर 3 इधर आ जाएगा, 2 इधर चला जाएगा, right? And after we have done so, we will get something like this, 4 3 2 1. Clear? Then considering this thing 4 3 2 1, क्या मुझे ये वर्टिकल वाली अरेंजमेंट मिल रही है? देखो राइट साइड द रिजल्टेंट एलिमेंट में देखो 4 3 2 1 अरेंजमेंट मिल रही है। Then our next work will be, how about making this entire horizontal thing vertical, right? Can we do this? We can do this. How can we do this? If we do transpose of an array. Now many of you will be confused, भैया transpose क्या होता है? What is transpose? So transpose means making row of an array as the column and the column of an array as the row. Very simple thing. Run 2 loops. For I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For j equals 0, j less than n, j plus plus, where n and n are the rows and columns. ठीक है? For example, my array is 4 cross 4, that is 4 rows and 4 columns. तो n की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? 4. तो for i equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For j equals 0, j less than n, j plus plus. 2 लूप चलाना है अपन को। उसके बाद we have to just swap the elements. What is meant by swapping? We will just change the elements. How will we change? A of ij and a of ji, each row element will be exchanged with the column element. So what happens is 1 2 3 4 अगर होगा तो 1 will be replaced with 1. सब हो गया। अभी 2 जो है ना, ये कॉलम का जो सेकंड एलिमेंट है उससे रिप्लेस हो जाएगा। फिर ये 3 जो है कॉलम का थर्ड एलिमेंट से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा। ये फोर्थ एलिमेंट ऑफ द कॉलम से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. So what happens in this case is, then this 4 3 2 1 becomes a transpose. This is how we should progress. तो इसमें अब हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? One thing that we can do is we can reverse the entire 2D array. So it will give me an array like this. See this. 4 3 2 1 8 7 6 5 12 11 10 9 16 15 14 13. All right, and then once we have done this, that is, we have reversed the entire array. Now my next job will be to transpose the array. Transpose of the array means ये जो row है वो column बन जाएगा, or in other words I can say that the column will become row. तो let us assume कि जो row है वो column बन जा रहा है, ठीक है. Both the things mean both the sentences mean the same thing. It is just a way of saying it. देखो, what happens is, for example, let me take another colored pen. What is meant by transpose for those who did not understand what I was telling them? It is way too thick. So what is meant by transpose? Transpose, and this is reverse. Okay. तो ट्रांसपोज में क्या हो रहा है? 4 3 2 1 है. तो सबसे पहले this, suppose we consider this row first and this column first. Okay. What is happening is each row element is getting swapped with each column element. That is, a of ij is getting swapped with a of ji. Alright, तो करते हैं. 4 सबसे पहले आएगा, तो 4 रो में भी है और कॉलम में भी है. इट इज बोथ इन रो एज वेल एज कॉलम. सो 4 is swapped with 4, which gives us 4. Next, 3 is swapped with 8, so 3 comes here, 8 goes here. 2 is swapped with 12, 2 comes here, 12 goes here. 1 is swapped with 16, 1 comes here, 16 goes here. Same now happens with this and this. 7 is swapped with 7. 6 and 11, so 6 11 5 and 15. Similarly, 10 9 and 14. So 10 is here, 9 is here, 14 is here, this is 13. So this is what happens when we go to transpose. So transpose ho gayi, and I think we have now got the output, isn't it? Have I got the output? Yes, I have got the output. So this is the ideology how I should progress when we are talking about rotating an array if it is in the clockwise anti-clockwise direction. Okay, what if now if it was in the clockwise direction, उसमें क्या होगा भैया? तो देखो, clockwise direction में क्या होगा? Same thing. First you visualize how the array will look like when I rotate it clockwise by 90 degree. So once I rotate it clockwise by 90 degree, it happens कि my array will be looking something like this. Alright, something. तो ये जो होगा ये ऐसे आ जाएगा, ठीक है. ठीक है. Same thing. Is there a way we can do something like this? Like 1 2 3 4 है तो 1 को हम क्या आगे ला सकते हैं, फिर ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. हाँ, क्यों नहीं हो सकता. 1 को आगे लाना है तो फिर से रिवर्स कर दो इस एरे को और फिर उसको वापस से ट्रांसपोज कर दो ऐसे करके, है ना. सिंपल ही तो है. जो हमने यहाँ पे किया वो इस साइड क्या किया ना, हमने एरे को पीछे से आगे ट्रांसपोज किया है और फिर इसको लेफ्ट साइड ले गए. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आगे से पीछे ट्रांसपोज करना है और इसको राइट साइड ले जाना है. It is as simple as that, right? Like right from my perspective. तुम्हारे perspective से it might be something else. And yeah, that is it. It is pretty simple. So what are the steps that I have to do? Number 1, visualize how my final resultant array will look like. Second, based on that final resultant array, make the decisions like how can I choose the corner elements first, and then how can I determine what actions should I take in order to place those elements into those respective positions. ठीक है. Now this is the analysis that I did for rotation of an array in an anti-clockwise direction. Now let us come to the code. तो कोड में अगर हम आते हैं तो बहुत ही सिंपल कोड है इसका, एंड देयर इज नथिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. तो जो कोड है बहुत ही सिंपल रखते हैं. लाइक आई एम नॉट मेंशनिंग द हेडर फाइल्स. इसमें हम डायरेक्ट इसमें घुसते हैं. int m equals to 4, int n equals to 4, where m and n are rows and columns, of course, row and column. Okay, now void, first thing that I will be doing is reversing. Okay, so I have demonstrated you guys ki we can do this by reversing like this, right? कि जो रो वाइज है हम एलिमेंट्स को रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. वी कैन ऑल्सो रिवर्स इट कॉलम वाइज एज वेल. अब यू विल बी आस्किंग भैया कॉलम वाइज क्या रिवर्स बोल रहे हो आप? सी, कॉलम वाइज रिवर्स में क्या हो रहा है कि हमने जैसे रो में क्या किया ना, रो में हमने एक रो पकड़ा एंड उसकी एलिमेंट्स को रिवर्स किया है, वैसे ही कॉलम वाइज इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, हम एक कॉलम को पकड़ेंगे और उसके एलिमेंट्स को हम रिवर्स करेंगे. ठीक है, तो कॉलम वाइज रिवर्सल इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. आई विल बी डूइंग इट. तो void रिवर्स में अगर देखें हम int a of m n. alright, now what I will be doing inside this void रिवर्स में अगर हम घुस रहे हैं, int a of m n है और हम अंदर कर रहे हैं for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and for int j equals 0, j equals 0, we have to take another variable, that is k equals to m minus 1, j less than k, and j plus plus k minus minus. So that is it. Now you will be telling me भैया ये लूप कैसे काम कर रहा है, फलाना फलाने बातें you will be asking me. I will be telling you ये लूप कैसे काम कर रहा है. And then what we have to do is we will have to swap the elements. Now how does swapping work? Swapping यहाँ पे काम कैसे कर रहा है? Swap the elements. A of ji and a of kj. Is it not how we should do it? Is it not how we should do it? Like if the pattern is like this and the column is coming like this. Sorry, a of ji, sorry, this is not j, this is I. We are dealing with rows as well now. तो a of ji and a of ki. Okay, so this is how we should do. Now you will be asking me भैया ये कैसे काम कर रहा है? देखो, पहली लूप कहाँ से कहाँ चल रही है? i इक्वल्स टू 0 से लेके i लेस देन n तक चल रही है. ठीक है, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं इसमें, वी आर डीलिंग विथ अ रो मीन्स अ कॉलम. तो क्या करेंगे हम कि जो पहली लूप है हमारी, वो जो कॉलम्स हैं, एक कॉलम होती है ना, वो कॉलम होगी तो हम एक कॉलम से लेके अंत कॉलम तक चला देंगे. सो इफ इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस, आई विल बी रनिंग इट टिल n minus 1, that is n minus 1. so this is my I, 0 से लेके लेस देन n तक चलेगा. देन j equals 0, j less than k, where k is k to m minus 1. तो अब j जो है वो चलेगी मेरी 0 से लेके m minus 1 तक. ऑलराइट, यहाँ तक चल रही है मेरी ये. एंड ईच टाइम व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज माई j इज इंक्रीमेंटिंग बाई 1 एंड माई k इज डिक्रीमेंटिंग बाई 1. तो एक एक करके आगे आ रहे हैं और k पीछे भी जा रहे हैं. तो 4 और 16 है, एक्सचेंज हुए. 8 and 12 है, एक्सचेंज हुआ. सिंपल. So this is just I did it so that I can show you that अगर मैंने verbally बोला है कि I can do this with row, I can also do it this with column as well. अगर किसी कॉलम से करना है तो he can do it with column as well. Okay, तो ये हो जाएगा मेरा रिवर्स. एंड देन आई कैन डू इट विथ ट्रांसपोज. ट्रांसपोज करना है हमको, तो अब अपन की ये हो गई है. ट्रांसपोज इज प्रिटी इजी, देयर इज नो चेंज इन ट्रांसपोज. सेम थिंग, void transpose int a of mn. loop is same for int I, I less than m I plus plus for int I equals to 0, I less than n I plus plus. Alright, then swap a of ij comma a of j I. Pretty simple. So that is for void transpose, and after that we have to do it for void display. So void display is pretty simple. Once again, void display में void display is actually very simple. तो void display में we can do it in this way कि हाँ, तो voids में अगर हम int a of mn ले लिए तो we can first call transpose and then we can call the reverse if we've called reverse. Yeah, तो सबसे पहले transpose को call करेंगे, then we will be calling reverse, and उसके बाद हमारा outcome जो resultant array है वो हो जाएगा. And then you know how to display a two-dimensional array. We have already discussed it in introduction to 2D arrays part. So that is it. To displaying the array, I am not showing it to you. The main idea was to discuss how to do this problem, which is I guess it's clear to each and everyone after this video. And yeah, this is how we should do rotation of an array anti-clockwise and clockwise भी कैसे होगा, we have discussed it in O of 1 space complexity, that is in linear space, or without using extra space we can also call it. So that is it from this video, and if you like the explanation, do share it with people, do share it with your friends, your groups, anyone, and do leave a like, share and subscribe below. And if you have any doubt, do mention it in the comment section below as well, and I will be more than happy to clear it. So up until the next video, do take care of yourself, and I will see you once again. Bye bye.